Today my house has a guest, my uncle from Taiwan, coming to visit, and every time he comes, the whole house is bustling. My uncle is very special. Since he was a child, he has not been able to eat onions or garlic no matter what dish. Whenever he smells fried onions or minced garlic, his head says he cannot swallow. Don't put it in. So my husband and I start the show cooking a really delicious meal, but must ensure the criteria of onions or garlic. The first dish I chose was lean meat with burnt edges. This dish is both rich and easy to eat. The meat is sliced, thinly fried until golden brown with the aroma of delicious fish sauce and pepper. No need for onions or garlic. Just need to fry it to the right degree, adding a little good fish sauce will immediately bring out the attractive aroma. This dish is stir-fried squash without garlic. It sounds simple, but to make it delicious is not easy. You have to choose young squash, strip off the fibers, and stir-fry quickly over high heat to keep the vegetables green and crispy. Instead of frying garlic as usual, I just use a little hot cooking oil, then put in the vegetables and stir quickly with a little salt and pepper. Yet it has a strange and refreshing taste and is not boring at all. The third dish is stir-fried bamboo shoots with lemon leaves, a dish that makes my uncle miss bamboo shoots growing in the forest. I bought them early in the morning at the market, brought them home, peeled off the old outer skin, thinly sliced and washed thoroughly, then drained and prepared to stir-fry. Just need a little hot oil, put in the bamboo shoots and stir well with my hands. Season with salt to taste. Then add a few sliced lemon leaves to create a fragrant aroma. The lemon leaves' cool aroma overpowers the strong taste of the bamboo shoots, reminiscent of the very characteristic scent of the forest. This dish is eaten with hot white rice. It must be called delicious to the roof. And of course the indispensable dish, boiled pig stomach with ginger fish sauce. This is my uncle's true love, a dish that he has been repeating over and over since he was a child. A sentence that you can skip rice, but you definitely have to have a hearing that I dare not take it lightly. Morning early, got to the market. If humble to choose for the fresh white stomach, bring I thome, rub it with salt and vinegar. Carefully do each piece to make it really clean. No more smell. After boiling, I just turn to get the plate. My husband has already taken over, working hard to scoop the stomach out to the basket. Let it cool, then sit down and meticulously slice it evenly. When I was cutting half the plate, he couldn't help but place his hand to grab a piece to try. Dip it in the fish sauce. Fragrant ginger. Chew it crispy, and then he nods repeatedly. No words. My husband turns to laugh. Are you satisfied yet? He just raises his thumb while his mouth is busy chewing the second piece. The whole family looks at each other and laughs. Everyone understands that this dish is a great success. That's the end of the meal. Not only 4 dishes, but each dish carries the soul of the home kitchen. The lean meat is fried with burnt edges. It's just rich in flavor. The golden burnt edges are fragrant. You must know how to eat with rice. Is stir-fried squash garlic separately for the picky uncle, but it is the coolest dish on the tray. Wild bamboo shoots stir-fried with lemon leaves have the scent of the mountains. Crispy. Every bite makes you feel the taste of the forest in your mouth. And most special, boiled pig stomach, my uncle's favorite dish that cannot be missed. Boiled and let cool, cut into even pieces and dip in slightly spicy ginger fish sauce. Watching my uncle eat and nod. You know, the effort of cooking today was not in vain. I prepare to eat rice. I take the opportunity to bring the watermelon, prepared since morning. Go out to split it. The red watermelon is juicy, cut into pieces. Each piece is cool. Put everything in a box, put it in the refrigerator, wait until the rice is finished, and you have a wonderful dessert.